Okay, just a little quick room tour. We've just arrived. Come through the door there. In this little door here is your wardrobe and safe. It's a nice little boutique hotel. Middle of Rome. Mini fridge in there. Oh, a little tea and coffee thing or kettle. Little chair, chest of drawers, mirror, TV, nice little bed. Can't really see much out the window at the moment because it's dark, but that's the get through the curtains. Little courtyard down there, just about see it. Come back round here into the bathroom. You get some bits and pieces. Little mirror and a nice walk-in shower. It's all very nice.